Assalamu alaikum. Hi, welcome to Beena's Food Hub. Today I'm going to be making Basbousa. This is an incredibly easy sweet moist cake made from semolina and soaked in a simple sugar syrup. So let's start off by preparing the sugar syrup. You will need 270 millilitres of water, 300 grams of sugar, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon of rosewater. You can use other flavouring such as vanilla essence, orange blossom water, saffron or cinnamon. In a small pan on high heat, add the water, sugar and lemon juice. Stir until the sugar has completely dissolved and bring the mixture to a full boil. Lower the heat and gently simmer for 5 minutes without stirring. Turn off the heat, add in the rosewater and stir. Set the syrup aside to cool down. Let's start making the cake batter. You will need 325 grams of coarse semolina, 25 grams of plain flour, 150 grams of sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 65 grams of desiccated coconut, 120 grams of melted butter, 8 tablespoons of yogurt, 125 millilitres of milk, 2 eggs lightly beaten, 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 20 to 22 pieces of almonds. Measurements in cups are in the description below. Let's blanch the almonds. Place the almonds in some boiling water for 30 seconds. Rinse in cold water and peel off the skin. Alternatively, you can buy pre-blanched almonds. In a small bowl or jug, add the liquid ingredients, the yogurt, milk, butter, eggs, and vanilla essence. Give it a thorough mix. And set aside. In a large bowl, add the dry ingredients, semolina, plain flour, coconut, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Give it a good mix and make a well in the centre and gradually add the liquid ingredients. Mix for 2 to 3 minutes until no pockets of dry ingredients remain to form a fairly thick batter. Do not overmix as the basbousa can turn tough. Grease an oven-proof dish with butter or oil. Pour and level out the batter evenly. Cover and keep aside for 30 minutes for the flavours to blend well and semolina to absorb the liquids. Meanwhile, preheat the oven to 180 degrees. After 30 minutes, lightly score the top in a decorative way. Press a whole almond in the middle of each slice. Bake in a preheated oven for 35 minutes. Remove from the oven and carefully cut all the way through the marks you had made earlier. Pour the cooled syrup as evenly as possible all over the hot basbousa. Let it rest for 1 to 2 hours before serving. Enjoy! Remember to subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching.